The search intensifies for Inspector Cruz Castillo and Detective Jody Walker. Anyone with information pertaining to their whereabouts is asked to contact the SBPD immediately. Meanwhile, an injunction has temporarily delayed the slaughterhouse demolition.
Ask me if I care about the fate of a meatpacking plant. Who cares? Blow it up. Blow it out your ear for all I care. Finding BJ and Jody safe seems to be the migraine for today.
We got a lead. The waitress at Rosa gave us a lead on BJ.
Yeah, which went absolutely nowhere.
It's only a matter of time before we start getting results on the APB.
Kelly, we don't have time. Every minute that goes by, Frank puts another mile between me and my little girl.
Frank can't keep running forever. He's going to have to stop eventually. He has to stop for gas, for food. He'll have to sleep. And he's bound to get careless or he's going to panic. And that's when he's going to get caught. And in the meantime, BJ is smart and she's resourceful. She's going to be looking for ways to escape.
Oh, man. You know, I was half dozing off about a minute ago, Kel. And I was wondering what it'd be like if anything ever happened to BJ and Jody. That's half my family gone. What if Frank doesn't panic, huh? What if BJ doesn't escape?
Finders keepers, losers weepers.
I've never taken that ring off my finger. Not for any reason. Anyway, thanks for not saying that.
What?
That throwing my ring out that window was a wasted effort.
We still got half an hour to go.
Before we blow to kingdom come.
No, I think somebody's gonna find the ring.
Well, even if they do, the only person it means anything to is me.
That's not true. I'm sure it'll mean something to whoever finds it.
Oh, God. Oh, my God. Cruz! 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 Don't you check out on me. Don't you leave me. God, don't you leave me. Cruz!